Hare Krishna. So we are on the 36th verse of the second chapter, wherein Krishna is still telling Arjuna why he should fight. If Arjuna does not fight, what will happen? Krishna further continues. Avachyavadamscha bahun vadishyanti tavahitah nindantastav samarthyam tato dukkhataram nukim. So he says, अवाच्यवादांश्च बहुन, बहुत अवाच्यवाद है, ऐसे शब्दों में आपके शत्रु आपकी निंदा करेंगे. निंदन्त तव सामर्थ्यम, आपके सामर्थ्य पर प्रश्न चिन्ह उठाएंगे, आपको भगोड़ा कहेंगे, आपको कहेंगे ये तो छक्का भी हो गया है. भगोड़ा ही नहीं, छक्का हो गया है. निंदन्त तव सामर्थ्यम ततो दुःखतरम नु किम. So basically you have lost the reason that you gave. Oh, I am feeling compassion, I don't want to kill families. वो तो अलग ही रह गया. लेकिन जैसे हमने कल देखा था, the perception of truth is more importantly taken in this world. So your enemies will not take your side of action or your thought process. Avachyavadamscha bahun tava ahitaha. Those who are your enemies, you are thinking compassionately of them, but they will not think compassionately of you. ततो दुःखतरम. एक तो हम किसी सीधे मन से कुछ कार्य करते हैं और दूसरा व्यक्ति उसे कुछ और ही समझ के आगे बढ़ता है. इससे ज्यादा दुखमयी बात और कुछ नहीं हो सकती. You see, to show compassion to an enemy on a battlefield is cowardice. वो भगोड़ापन है, वो डर जाना है. Yesterday, as we had seen, might is right. We see Winston Churchill when Adolf Hitler was on a spree conquering the world. It was not that British economy was going best. No. Still it was Winston Churchill who single-handedly, practically guided the entire British army to win over. जितना हुआ है Britishers के साथ, it was only because of Winston Churchill. Same thing we see with America also. America was neutral, it did not want to participate in World War II. Lekin when Japan attacked on Pearl Harbor, yes, 7th of December 1944, America had to step in, and then Hiroshima and Nagasaki happened. So essence is, आप अगर शांत रहते हो और दूसरा जानबूझ के आपको अगर आके चूटी काटता है तो आपको अपना सामर्थ्य दिखाना ही पड़ेगा. Now how does perception change? Even today if we go in Japan, all those who attacked Pearl Harbor are regarded as heroes. ऐसा नहीं है क्या? ऐसा है. But the fact remained that Japan's Pearl Harbor incident was responsible for the entire US to join the Second World War. So this is how we see perception change. Hitler wanted to have only Aryans from his point of view, and Germans were the only Aryans. Yes. But then everyone had to stand up. So this is how, when you are forced to act, you must act. एक तो है कि आप जानबूझ के युद्ध नहीं करना चाहते, लेकिन अगर आपके ऊपर कुछ थोपा जा रहा है, हम देखते हैं दुर्योधन इज नॉट रेडी फॉर एनी कॉम्प्रोमाइज. थोपा जा रहा है तो आपको युद्ध करना ही होगा, खास करके जब आप क्षत्रिय हो. दिस डज नॉट होल्ड ट्रू विद ब्राह्मणस. A Brahmana can forgive, a Brahmana will forgive. A Brahmana, even though he is being coaxed, he will not fight. So we see how, so when a Brahmana is coaxed, then he will tolerate. Yeah, we see Vasishtha and Vishwamitra, when Vishwamitra was the king and Vasishtha was a Brahmarshi. So Vishwamitra thought he went once to Vashishta Muni's ashram and he saw Kamdhenu. So when he saw Kamdhenu, so Vishwamitra thought that ये कामधेनु गाय वशिष्ठ के पास क्या कर रही है, उसको तो मेरे पास होना चाहिए, मैं राजा हूं. So thinking like this, he asked Vashishta, can I take Kamdhenu? So Vashishta said, you can take, but actually she'll be useful for doing yajna. Kamdhenu did not want to go, but Vashishta said, Vishwamitra being the king and I being a subject, I can't say no. Kamdhenu said, you can't say no, but I don't want to go. Can I exercise my free will? Vashishta said, in that I do not have any problem. So Kamdhenu, from her udder, she manufactured a full sena, a full army which defeated Vishwamitra. So essence is that Vashishta wanted Kamdhenu not for sense gratification but for service. Vishwamitra also wanted Kamdhenu but for sense gratification. Ultimately Vashishta was ready to give. Vishwamitra was ready to take. Kamdhenu did not want to go. She exercised her free will. We see similar, this Vishwamitra, when he becomes a Brahmarshi and when Ravana's Asuras were fighting, so when they were attacking his hermitage at that time, although he was capable, he was a Brahmarshi, he was very, very powerful as compared to when he was a king, still he did not take up any astra or shastra in his hand. Instead, he went to Dashrath Maharaj and he requested Dashrath Maharaj, oh please give me Ram and Lakshman, I have this work of killing all the demons. So we see, one might have capacity or power, but certain social ways, customs, functions, they entrust certain responsibilities and restrictions on us. So as Kshatriya, Arjuna has a restriction. He has to fight. He has a responsibility. Dharma has to be established. And he can't run away from his restriction and responsibility. If he runs, avanchavadansh bahun, बहुत बुरी सुननी पड़ेगी उसे. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna. And don't go away. Do you remember? हमने क्विज का अनाउंसमेंट किया था. आज से लिंक पोस्ट होने वाली है. सो फ्रॉम टुडे ऑन, आज, कल और परसों 3 दिन तक आपको ये टाइम है. फर्स्ट 36 श्लोकास आज तक हमने जो कंप्लीट किया है, इस पर 20 क्वेश्चंस आएंगे. एंड दीज 20 क्वेश्चंस यू गेट 1 चांस ओनली टू आंसर. सो मेक श्योर यू गो थ्रू. You have 2 days to go through, you have 1 day to give, you have been having 4-5 days to prepare also. So, last time also we have had many entries, we expect many more entries also this time. All the best. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama.